Welcome to the Bourbon Van. I'm Phil.
I'm Julie!
We have 3 small but mighty upgrades that we made to the cabin of the van this year for 2023 that are making van life a little bit easier. First off, we have these slick lock-in-place discs that we can put pretty much anywhere in the van. The idea is that these guys just plug right into them. It's called siptwistgo.com. They were designed for airplanes to keep your beverage from flying around when you're on a little airplane, but you can use them for boats, marine purposes. They're great here in the van, and we even have some that strap to the armrest. There's some that are meant for koozies, for cans or whatever. There's a couple of different versions of this, one for coffee, one for water is what we use it for. Take your cup, pop it in there, twist it, and it's locked in place. We can be on bumpy roads and everything. Nothing's spilling, everything's staying cool. Really, really like these things. Next up, Mavis, our new cat. She's not the lap cat that Norman was, and she likes to wander around in the van, particularly when we're on the go. And the problem with that is that these window levers, these power windows, they are really fast, and she had a bad habit of stomping on them and the window dropping, so we had to drive with our hands over these window controls. But we found these little covers that you're supposed to put over electronic switch plates on entry doors, and they flip up, flip down. She doesn't step on them anymore. Kind of like the way they look, and they work perfectly. Lastly, you need privacy, you need darkness, and the window covers that we had previously had suction cups on them. If it was too cold, if it was damp at all, if there was any moisture, they just didn't stick. And so we found these guys online, and they actually have some small magnets. They fold down nice and tight, and they pop out, and they're the easiest thing in the world to put in. Done. They just work. They're blackout, they're awesome. They look great from the inside, they look great from the outside. I really, really like that upgrade. And the links for all of these items are in the description down below. So that's it. That's the 3 quick upgrades that we made to the van for 2023. They're very small upgrades, but they have definitely made an impact. And for wherever we are, to wherever you are, cheers.
Cheers!